Okay, Bismillah and Assalamualaikum. Okay, so today our group will be presenting about intelligent braking system for subject BMMA 3523 Automotive Electrical and Electronic System assignment. Okay, now I will introduce to you the team member task. Okay, so for the group leader is Muhammad HAQEEMEE bin Muhammad HUSSEIN. So the task is introduction, problem statement, and flowchart. This is for the report. Okay, next Muhammad NABIIL bin Noor Hashim. He conduct circuit design, the schematic diagram. Next Muhammad QAYYUM bin Muhammad FUAD. Circuit design, circuit diagram, and coding for the assignment. Okay, next me Muhammad Noor Iman bin Muhammad SOFI. I'm conducting to do the presentation slide. And lastly, Ahmad Nukman bin JAMALUDIN, conclusion and finalize the report on formatting. Okay, next, introduction. Okay, so in the automotive industry, anti-lock brake system, or also known as ABS, have been around for quite some time. They start as high-end alternative before becoming democratic and standard. Okay, next, after several generations, the public consider this system to be ideal. Currently, a new braking system has been introduced as a result of extensive research. Okay, next, the intelligent braking system, IBS, is the name given to it. And if the driver does not decelerate, the system will trigger emergency brake and reduce collision damage. Okay, next, I will pass to the next member.
Okay, so problem definition. This intelligence braking system measures distance using an infrared emitter positioned in the front of a car. So basically, this intelligence braking system consists of an infrared wave emitter mounted on the vehicle's front end that receives a signal indicating the distance between the vehicle and the obstacle in the front. So next slide. Okay, so now we look at the flowchart. So basically, the flowchart refers to the usage of the sensor. So it starts with this detection of an obstacle. So if the obstacle is detected in front of the vehicle, then the sensor will send an alert to the user. And if the vehicle keeps speeding, and then the motor will stop or start decelerating. And otherwise, if the obstacle is not detected, then the motor will keep running. Next. So now we look at the schematic diagram. This project uses a microcontroller Arduino Uno R3, ultrasonic distance sensor, tiny servo, and 2 potentiometers to monitor the vehicle's speed and brakes.
Okay, today I want to present about coding. Okay, this page coding is about word log and several things that writing the trigger pin that can give input and data to processor. Okay, for circuit diagram, this first condition is when there no agent on the front, the in front of the ultrasonic, when the potentiometer for acceleration is increasing, the system not active. And for the second situation, when some object in front of the ultrasonic sensor, the system will light up, and also the system active with micro server, or say clamping brake disc, will turn to the left. So the deceleration will happen while the acceleration pedal press full rotation. And next, for the third acceleration, once the object detected by ultrasonic sensor, the potential to also full rotate. Position 2 as brake pedal full rotate. The LED light off means that the system are active. The micro servo will rotate to the left as referred to operator clamping the bracket. This is active. So the direction will happen while acceleration pedal press potential meter full rotate. And the fourth situation, once there are no object detection on the ultrasonic sensor and the potentiometer to as a brake pedal be full rotate, the red LED light off, that means the system are inactive. The microservo will rotate to the left and refer operator clamping the brake. This is active. So this situation will happen while acceleration pedal position 1 full rotate. Next.
Okay, now we discuss about the intelligent braking system setup. Okay, as you can see, the setup firstly consists of sensor. Okay, the use of sensor is critical in the implementation of an intelligent braking system. Okay, they must carefully identify and choose it. The function of sensor are to measure the distance and speed of obstacle of the car. There are various types of distance of range sensor, each with its own set of feature and characteristic. Each one has its own set of advantage and disadvantage, and they are employed in various distinct contexts. Okay, secondly, the intelligent braking system setup including actuator in the system. Okay, what is the actuator? Actuator is a system. Is a part of a module known as the auxiliary hydraulic module, or we call it as HISHAM. The module purpose is to supply input force to the vacuum booster to an actuator and a brake pedal. The DSP controller output signal is passed within the modulation, which is PWM, which is boosted by a power amplifier. Sorry. Okay, the next one is the controller. The SP technology is a combination of microprocessor and microcontroller technology. Real-time operation, compact and small-scale hardware, and fast processing speed are constantly required in most particularly driving application. The Harvard type design allowed DSP to perform parallel processing by maintaining two independent bus structure, the program and data bus, and the specific instruction set allowing the processor to execute at maximum speed. Okay, next slide. Okay, the limitation of the intelligent braking system. Okay, firstly, the system become complex and installation is a bit difficult. Secondly, it require more component. Thirdly, it add unnecessary vehicle weight in the vehicle. Fourthly, the radar module suddenly creating false positive and stopping the car at random and unnecessary time. And fifthly, the radar system suddenly stop working, resulting in the unavailability of both AEB and cruise control. Okay, next I pass it to Ahmad Nukman bin JAMALUDIN.
Okay, for this slide, it is suitable to be fitted in the new production of the cars, the intelligent braking system. Okay, based on the data collected from various resources, it is still not suitable to be fitted into the new production cars. The intelligent braking system nowadays is still under study and not completely ready to be implemented. From the article My Latest News, searching the internet via the DuckDuckGo search engine reveals that this brake slamming problem is well known and has no known fix. Several lawsuit cases has been filed against the manufacturer due to fail on the intelligent braking system. One of the plaintiffs described the problem experienced from the faulty system. He was driving 45 miles an hour on a straight, flat road, and there is no other cause, and suddenly the brake slammed on its own. There was nothing in front of him and behind him. He believed something is wrong with the collision mitigation braking system, and there was no warning from the system. Secondly, it is suitable for the aftermarket and to be sold as accessories for this intelligent braking system. Okay, moving with the trends, several car manufacturers is currently into the implementation of intelligent braking system. This situation brings aftermarket makers to joining the trends. Several well-known companies such as Brembo. The answer for this question, it is suitable or not? The answer is yes and no. When we say yes, which is the pros, prices for aftermarket part are almost always less than those for OEM part, which is 60% more expensive. But if we consider no, which is the cons of aftermarket, we may encounter lower quality items that are not good for your specific vehicle. This is because the intelligent braking system is known as sensitive system. Error in replacement with different parameter, which is aftermarket part, can interrupt the whole system and cause the system to fail. It is recommended that the intelligent braking system part replacement is only from the original manufacturer. Okay, for the price suitable, I will pass to HAQEEMEE.
Okay. The price is suitable. Okay, the price of the intelligent braking system range from $500. That in Malaysia, the price is $2,201 to $25,000. That is in the price of Malaysia is ringgit. Okay, the price is considered as acceptable due to the complexity of the system. The system usually consists of high-performing sensor which can detect the speed of other vehicle and the distance. The system also consists of hydraulic control system that help the system to allowing the vehicle to decelerate and stop. The price of hydraulic control system also very high. Example, the price of solenoid control only that costs RM1,870 ringgit, not include the price of the whole circuit. So the answer to the question is yes, the price is very suitable. Okay, next I will pass back to Ahmad Nukman for the conclusion.
Okay, for the conclusion, intelligent braking protect life and property. As we said back, this device can be made mandatory to reduce accident. Our intelligent braking system is an example of how integrated system may enhance the safety of automobiles. Future automobile safety call for a new mentality, not just new technology. Intelligent braking system is a radical departure from the usual safety paradigm, but it is essential. Automobile manufacturers are researching novel brake system to improve intelligent braking. Brembo's braking software is called Sensify. And the latest technology from Brembo using electromechanical actuator that sees more quickly than hydraulic actuators. Okay, that's all from our group.
Okay, I think that's all from our group. Okay, thank you for listening.